Hi, I'm your esports analyst, but not the kind that takes 8 hours to find a winning strategy. In the 2024 Valorant Champions, by the time teams finished analyzing their opponents, the match was already over. JetCloud solves this in 90 seconds. Here's the problem. Professional esports teams are drowning in data. A single Valorant series generates thousands of events, kills, positioning, economy decisions. Traditional tools show what happened, KD ratios, win percentages, but they can't explain why it happened or predict what comes next. What if instead of one AI trying to do everything, you had a team of AI experts? A scout, an analyst, a coach, a manager, even a simulated opponent, all working together, debating, challenging each other's conclusions. That's JetCloud. Here's how JetCloud actually works. First, the scouting agent connects to the Grid eSports API. It fetches 6 months of match history, player stats, team compositions, win streaks, all stored in clean CSV files. Next, the analyzer agent doesn't just pass data to an LLM and hope. It uses Python and Pandas to calculate hard facts, true KDA, first kill rate, volatility indexes. Then it detects patterns humans miss, like post-pistol collapse or carry dependency. Then comes the secret weapon, parallel stakeholder simulation. 4 AI personas run at the same time. The coach analyzes tactics, the manager evaluates risks, the analyst validates statistics, the opponent simulates their psychology. Finally, the simulation agent synthesizes everything. It doesn't look at raw data. It looks at the debate between the experts and generates 5 probabilistic match scenarios with specific winning conditions. Here's what makes JetCloud different. Most AI tools ask the LLM to calculate player performance. LLMs are terrible at math. They hallucinate. They make things up. JetCloud never lets the AI do math. Python calculates the KDA. The LLM only interprets what a 2.4 KDA means strategically. We call this hybrid neurosymbolic analysis. Code for calculation, AI for reasoning. 0 hallucinations, pure insight. Building this wasn't easy. Challenge 1, the Grid API limits us to 40 requests per minute. Solution, intelligent throttling using async queues to maximize throughput without getting banned. Challenge 2, LLMs love to chat, but dashboards need rigid JSON. Solution, strict pedantic schemas. Every output is validated. If it doesn't match the schema, it gets rejected. The front end never crashes. And here's the magic, glass box reasoning. You don't just get answers, you watch the AI team work. The scout finding data, the analyst running calculations, the coach formulating strategies, live, in real time. Esports teams don't trust black boxes. JetCloud shows you exactly how it reached every conclusion. Full transparency, full trust. The results speak for themselves. 8 hours of analyst work becomes 2 minutes. Over 50 matches analyzed per run. Detects subtle patterns like agent pool concentration using the Herfindahl index. Patterns invisible to human analysis. 1 click, instant insight. Timeout level decision making. This is just the beginning. Imagine asking during a timeout, they're rushing B site, what's the counter? And getting an instant data-backed answer. Imagine a live in-game overlay warning you of opponent clutch tendencies. Imagine predicting meta shifts before they happen. That's where we're going. JetCloud democratizes elite-level analytics. What was once exclusive to well-funded organizations with armies of analysts is now accessible to every coach, every team, every player. We're not just visualizing data, we're simulating victory.